Aside from being a cheaper alternative to mannequins and models, flat lay photos of clothes have become extremely popular, especially on social media. Whether it's for your product, your client's product, or your daily outfit, this class will help you create fabulous flat lay photos of clothes. Hi, my name is Rose. I am a food and product photographer. I started taking photos of different subjects back in 2013 and turned it into a business 4 years ago. One of my inspirations for creating classes is the fact that I am completely self-taught. I am convinced that when you really want to learn something, there are no limits. In my classes, I share all the techniques I've learned from years of photographing food and products for local businesses. And for this class, I will share with you my entire process of making flat lays for clothes. We will start with planning and preparations. Then I will show you how I will set up my scene as well as how I will choose props to tell different stories. Then you will see me compose and style my scene. Then I will end the class with a quick editing demo for that fabulous final look. You don't need a fancy camera or expensive gear to participate in the class project. You will just need clothes to photograph, a simple non-distracting background, props that you may already have at home, a light source, and a camera to take photos. This could be your smartphone, DSLR, or mirrorless camera. If you follow along with me, you will have at least one flat lay photo of your clothes by the end of this class, plus lots of ideas for your future flat lay photo shoot. Now, if you're ready, let's get started.